Okay, this one is not in your math journal, but I have attached the template. We're estimating cost again. Anne and her friend are walking home from school. Anne shows her friend this homework problem and her answer. So Anne did her work. Here's her name. The art club has $100 to spend on materials. They bought watercolor paints for $38 and brushes for $19. Well, $38 and brushes for $19. How much money does the club have left over? Anne says $67. So number 1 says, suppose that you are Anne's friend and you don't have a pencil or a calculator with you. In your head, make an estimate for how much money the club has left over. Write your answer on the next page. So write your answer for the estimate for how much money the club has left over. That means you need to round 38. And let's say we have a ones place and a tens place. So you're going to round to the tens. And you need to round 19. I have the ones place and the tens. So you're going to round to the tens place. Figure out what those two are rounded. But that's how much they spent altogether. So once you round them, you're going to have to put those materials together. So you're going to have to add them and take them away from how much the club spent. So how much do you think the club has left over? Use your estimates to decide whether Anna's answer is reasonable. Is Anna's answer reasonable? Show your thinking and how you estimated in the thought bubble below. So you must show your rounding here. 38 and 19, what did you round them to? And remember, we have to put those together to figure out how much they spent. So then we take how much they spent from that $100 they're able to spend. When you come up with an answer, is it close to $67? Was Anne's answer reasonable? Show all of your work in this cloud, okay? And then write on the template attached and send it to your teacher.